Hello mga kasangga! Welcome to my channel, Pearl TV and Travels Vlog. Mga kasangga, the three big boss of Bash Manila, Queen Bea Alonzo, Brina and Bea Secosana, shares their favorite of Bash Aftergloss collection. Ano ba favorite nila? Check this out guys.
My favorite item is the weekday tote in Terra. I think this is a lot of people's favorite. What I love about it is that it has a secret pocket for your phone. There you go. So you won't lose your phone anytime. And also the trolley sleeve that turns into a compartment as well. So if you open it like this, may compartment ka na. But you can also open it here and that becomes your trolley sleeve. And it has a special spot for your laptop as well. And it has a key ring. It has a key ring so you won't have to fish it out of your bag. There you go. My weekday tote bag in Terra.
My favorite from the collection is our backpack in carbon. So my favorite thing about this is it fits my laptop and my iPad, and it has a padded compartment for that, so it's very secure. And it has two side compartments, perfect for my water bottle and my coffee tumbler.
My favorite is the weekday tote in Dune. So, I like it because marami siyang compartments. Like for my phone, meron siyang easy access pocket in front. And also, perfect siya kasi kasya yung mga laptops. And meron rin siyang keyring. So, for easy access. And yeah, the size is also perfect.